Hey! I saw that! You wanna come out and say it?
At least you
wanna
can
come out and
see.
say it? Yellow Fang! You have to believe me!
I will admit, I did pass this Cinderfur.
Leopard Fur has always been
Jealous.
suspicious of
What?
other clans.
Oh, that's cute.
We can't blame all of River Clan. Featherpaw's really nice.
What if it isn't?
Somebody?
Peter.
It's River Clan! That must be the only answer. Leopard Star is dead.
I didn't think they
Why
had
would anybody do this? I, for one, want to point the blame at Cloudtail.
Listen, River Clan
Hey!
is scum.
Cloudtail is a fearsome warrior.
I was
Exactly.
busy
Don't you
leading.
go after
I was
him.
leading Longtail around this entire time. I told him to hold my tail. We went to lights together. All right.
Longtail?
Yeah,
I was with him.
Funny about that.
Of
It's
course.
not like long
I was with
tail.
Cloudtail the entire time.
Cloudtail.
No! He was my eye!
Okay. I can see how this would be turned on me. Please.
You were calling him
I wouldn't actually.
earlier and accusing him, and also insulting
I wouldn't
him.
actually.
You are very high on the sus.
I have grudges.
I was with Soroka when we found it.
I saw him. He was with me. He was right behind me.
I was in security with Swiftpaw.
Featherpaw, vouch for me here. Cloudtail and you were in security while I was
Featherpaw.
at the cameras.
We are on a destined quest
is
together.
true.
You have to follow me.
Featherpaw, please speak up. I don't want to be kicked out just because of just.
The body was an electrical, correct?
It was right outside.
Oh, outside. I am unsure of the path that Swiftpaw took.
Featherpaw,
Oh,
you
yeah.
all people should know that just because differences shouldn't make people lesser.
Then I will follow your paw steps.
I shall too.
Well, all y'all. I might as well call all of you kitty pets because you guys seem to have the same freaking ideals as them.
Starkland,
Yes?
Why in Starclan's name would you call that before the download was finished?
If I may
I'm sorry.
ask,
I just saw someone dead, okay?
where is the
It's too
body
much.
of our dear friend Sandstorm?
Wait, it was Sandstorm?
No!
It would appear.
In the room, the oxygen room, yeah, that one.
If I find whoever did this, you're done. You are done.
Young Cloudtail,
Morning power.
please,
You
Leopard
two
Fur, would you
Yes.
dare harm one of our warriors?
If you were on our territory, maybe.
Yellowfang, I ask of you, have you received any word from StarClan on who the one could be assaulting us during this prison vault?
Starkland, we don't need to rely on those dead cats to do this kind of stuff. Listen,
Cloudtail,
the more we rely on them, the less we're gonna have with the cats we have here. I don't care
Cloudtail, I'm
what.
sending you on patrol.
Lionheart, we saw the kid. Oh my, there's the
How
kid.
curious. The kid who voted me.
If I find whoever killed this kid,
ThunderClan, I call upon you to eliminate the only opposition against us in this time in this forest, and to vote Leopard Fur once and for all. We must rid of this.
I saw Yellowfang acting a little bit suspiciously near electrical, waiting for the
You would
moment to
dare
strike.
say such thing about our medicine cat? My elder judgment beside, I believe to eliminate this foe from our forest.
Small ear, you're elder than Lionheart. What do you have to say?
Suspicious Lionheart.
StarClan has been very silent about this.
Yellowfang!
I did not.
Yellowfang, you killed that. You killed Gorspaw right in front of me.
Yellowfang?
I did nothing.
I had just come in on. I just came on small here killing someone.
You came upon small, you're killing me.
I can't believe what I saw. I cannot believe what I saw. I can't. Actually, you know what? I can believe a Wind Clan cat would deliberately kill.
I didn't do anything. I swear.
I didn't mention it was you, Gorspaw.
Gorspaw, you have anything to say for yourself against this blatant attack against RiverClan?
You might want to speak
Don't make
up.
no. Please, I'm just a kid. Don't.
You were. If you're old enough to kill, you're old enough to die.
Right.
Wow. That's I never thought I'd hear that coming from a kitty pet.
Okay, this time I know who it was. This time I know who it was.
Who?
Cannot believe he would do it too. Lionheart.
I was the one who fixed the sun, and then I came left up
Yes.
through the
Guess where that was? That was right
bottom
next to
field. I promise on the warrior code that I did not commit this. ThunderClan, I believe that this kitty pet here, although powerful in nature, is malicious in intent to our clan.
Kitty Pet's looking pretty sus, not gonna lie.
The only wisdom I have is the last cat I saw Leopard Fur with was Lionheart before Leopard Fur had...
See, Small Ears with me. Small Ears with me.
Small Ears can't see anything. Darkstripe and Sandstorm, if you can allow this kitty pet to
I say we get the kitty
maliciously
No,
intent.
you can't just do that based on my origin. I've been a loyal warrior ever since. It is Lionheart who's lying to you.
And to this day, you will still prove yourself to be a fearful warrior.
You all have made a mistake.
Whatever. Oh. Well. I've literally been in cafeteria the entire time. I just saw someone run past me.
She lied.
What do you mean?
With the moon high in the sky, the gathering commenced at 4 trees.
Well,
Did you see something?
Why was this meeting called?
It's a gathering, you motherfucker.
Cinderfur and Yellowfang did see me just scan, and I can scan again because this is in the middle of that.
I'm gonna vote the narrator. I can prove myself with the light.
Cloudtail, we have no leads on who it could be. It would be pointless
Then
to
work
put
harder next time.
I saw Cinderfur murder Cloudtail in cold blood.
I didn't see who was just with Cloudtail, but it must have been one of those two.
Cinderfur, please say it isn't true.
Oh,
The last person I saw before... Then... I don't know who that person was, Death. I saw... quite the beautiful red tail.
I just proved my loyalty.
I would believe it's a self-report because I was with Yellowfang and I also passed by Redtail near Electrical. And why were you chasing me, you creep?
I wasn't chasing you, I was suspicious.
I found
Where
the
was
body
it found?
in Electrical.
The shaky kid once again found the warm body of Morningflower dead.
Did any of our fellow cats see anyone near Electrical?
I had not gone near Electrical.
I was watching at the end of that. I was watching over our elders. Making sure they were okay.
I noticed the two elders were together.
I solved the O2 problem. I said vote the kid.
We don't.
Wait,
have
what do
evidence.
you mean?
What are you?
Darkstripe, why would you vote the kid?
One Eye, where did you cast your vote?
I was in communications.
No. I think your hearing has become as poor as your eyesight. I said, where did you cast your vote?
We're voting?
Yes, One Eye, we're voting.
Ah, I did not vote for anyone.
I think it might be Yellowfang.
I have no reason to kill Redtail.
I mean, you were near nobody, apparently.
I can
Yellowfang's
be by
always on her
myself.
own. She's always on her own in the medicine den.
Oh.
I have
okay.
been a lone cat for years, as it were.
I'm starting to like this imposters are us game.